Hi everyone, welcome to eTravels. Very good day. Today I am going to discuss regarding holiday packages. It's a seamless packages where you can manage holiday packages from the administration console. So here I will explain you how to add the holiday packages along with the prices from the admin dashboard. So we are in the admin dashboard. Here we have to go to holiday screen. Here you can select the category such as domestic or international. I am going with the domestic holiday package. So you can select subcategory. You can see here weekend gateways, luxury trains, bus package, islands, pilgrimages, hill stations. So I am selecting weekend gateways. And destination you can select such as Delhi, Agra, Hyderabad, like that. So I am going with the Delhi. So package name I am just entering as a Delhi package. And duration you can enter 24 hours, 12 hours, like that duration. And highlights. So about the package highlights you can enter. And you can go with the like a valid from and valid till. So if you are adding any hotel, so you can enter the hotel rating also, such as 0 star, 1 star, and GST applicable, such as if you want to add any GST for this particular holiday package, you can enter the GST. If you are having any video and map links, you can enter the links also here. And if you click on show in home page, it will show in the home page of your website, and you have to must select the status so that the holiday package will be displayed to the customers. Here you can enter the description of the particular holiday package and itinerary such as day 1, day 2, day 3. So how many days package is available, you can enter the itinerary as per the package. And inclusions you can enter what are the inclusions available on this particular holiday package. And exclusions nothing but see actually if parking is not available, Wi-Fi is not available, and holiday package flight bookings are not available, so taxes are not available. So you can enter in the exclusions. And you can enter the terms and conditions of the particular holiday. Next will be the cancellation policy. So you can enter the cancellation policy of the particular holiday package. So I am entering here before 1 week 50% is the cancellation charges. And if you are having any child policy, you can add the child policy and additional info. So you can change the fonts, like you can increase it, you can decrease, and you can change the font style also. So you are having a number of options here where you can manage the font. And here you can upload up to 10 images. So I added one image which belongs to the Delhi. So holiday package is added successful, and I am going with the holiday prices. So here initially you need to select the package name. So here you have to add the source city, nothing but where you are going from. So I am selecting here as a Hyderabad. And then room category. So room category nothing but if you are adding any hotel, so you have to select what is the room type, such as standard, deluxe, super deluxe, like that. And you have to add the holiday package price here. So and click on add button, then the price also will be added. So now we'll move to the front end how it displays. So now I am selecting as a holiday package like Delhi package. So here we selected subcategory as a weekend gateways. So I am selecting weekend gateways. I am selecting the day. So here you can view the package which are available on the particular dates. There are 2 packages which are available. So I am changing currency into INR. Here you can see the currency now in INR. So as I added the holiday package 10,000 rupees, so it is displaying as a 10,000. I am clicking on next. So next page will be the package information page where you can check all the details whatever you added in the admin login, such as itinerary, overview, inclusions, exclusions and other details, other info. And in the right side you can see the package price whichever we added and the description of the particular package. So once you click on book online, you can see the either availability or not of the particular package. Then click on the book online, it redirects to the customer info page where you can enter the passenger details. Here you can see right side the fare breakup such as package total price, GST if applicable, convenience fees and transaction charges. And if you are having any promo code, you can add up the promo code as well. So here you need to enter the first name and last name and address details such as email, mobile number. So I am selecting one of the payment gateway and I am going to the payment gateway page. So here you can book this holiday package using card details such as credit card, debit card, UPI, wallets, net banking and PayPal. Once you enter these details, the holiday package will be booked and you will receive a confirmation email. So for more information, please visit our website etravels.com and you can fill your details in contact us page such as your name, mobile number and email ID so that our customer support executive will be get in touch with you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for the latest updates.